How's it everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making the easiest bench you'll ever make. This project does not require a lot of materials, and it's a quick and easy project that can be done in less than a day. Let's go! First, I'll measure and cut all my 2x4s. I'll leave a cut list in the description so you can reference that later. Then I'll sand everything down with 120 grit sandpaper. I'm going to be having people sit on this, so it's going to be very important to make sure that everything is nice and smooth. I'm applying wood glue to all the seat pieces of the bench. This wood glue is going to make this seat nice and solid. I'm also going to apply some wood glue to these support pieces. After that, I'll drill out my pilot hose and fasten everything together with 2.5-inch wood screws. 6 screws on each side might be overkill, but I wanted this thing solid, so for me it was just right. I mentioned before, this project is super quick and easy. I love DIY, I've been doing it for a while now. I love everything about DIY, I love the learning, discovering, creativity. This type of project is what I call a gateway project. Once you start, you kind of get addicted to it. It's just really fun. So hopefully if you do end up making this bench, you go on to do bigger and more elaborate projects. Now that the bench is assembled, I'm gonna go ahead and stain it. This is an oil-based stain. I prefer oil-based over water-based. I just feel like it's more water resistant. Of course, I'm in Japan, so this is what the home center had. But you can use any oil-based stain that you have at Home Depot or Lowe's, or wherever you go to shop for your stain. I'm only applying stain on the seat part of this bench. Once the stain cures a little bit, I'm gonna paint the legs and the support matte black. Once I finish painting, I let everything cure overnight. And here's the finished bench. I love the way it turned out. I also use this bench as a table for when I'm grilling, or if I just need to rest while I'm grilling. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, mahalo and aloha.